Hello everyone! Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to learn how to write an insurance agent job application letter. I'll explain what this letter is, why it's important, and then guide you through every single part of the letter, from the sender information all the way to the closing, so you know exactly what to write and why each section matters. Let's begin with a quick definition. An insurance agent job application letter is a formal letter written to apply for a position where you help clients choose insurance products that protect their health, property, finances, or future. This letter highlights your communication skills, ability to build trust, understanding of insurance products, and commitment to ethical and client-focused service. Because insurance agents work closely with clients and handle sensitive information, employers look for professionalism, honesty, and confidence, starting from the application letter itself. Now, let's break down the letter step by step. Check this out. Sender information. At the top of the letter, we start with the sender's information. This section includes your full name, address, phone number, and email address. While this part isn't written in paragraph form, it is very important because it tells the employer who you are and how they can contact you. Here is the sender information used in this letter. Brian Mitchell, 4529 Lakeview Terrace, Orlando, Florida, 32808. Phone, 407-55-56831. Email, brian.mitchell@email.com. A good tip here is to always use a professional-looking email address and make sure your phone number is correct, because this is how employers will reach you. Date. Next, we write the date. The date shows when the letter was written and helps employers keep track of applications. In this letter, the date is May 4th, 2026. Always write the full date and avoid abbreviations to keep your letter professional. Recipient information. After the date, we include the recipient's information. This shows that your letter is directed to a specific company and not just sent randomly. Here is the recipient information used. Hiring manager. Secure Life Insurance Group. 9800 Corporate Boulevard, Orlando, Florida, 32819. Even if you don't know the hiring manager's name, using hiring manager is completely acceptable and professional. Subject line. Next comes the subject line. The subject line tells the employer exactly what the letter is about. In this case, the subject is Subject, Application for Insurance Agent Position. This subject line is short, clear, and straight to the point, which is exactly what employers prefer. Salutation. Now we move to the salutation, which is something you should never skip. The salutation used here is, Dear Hiring Manager. This is polite, professional, and appropriate when the hiring manager's name is unknown. First paragraph. Introduction and interest in the role. Now let's talk about the first main paragraph. In this paragraph, you clearly state the position you're applying for and explain why you are interested in the role. This paragraph creates the first impression, so it should sound confident, friendly, and professional. For an insurance agent position, it's important to show interest in helping clients and providing protection, not just selling policies. Here's the sample paragraph. I am writing to apply for the insurance agent position at Secure Life Insurance Group. I am interested in this opportunity because I enjoy working directly with clients, assessing their needs, and providing insurance solutions that offer long-term protection and peace of mind. This paragraph is winning because it focuses on clients and trust, not just sales. Second paragraph, experience and professional responsibilities. Now we move to the second paragraph, where you explain your experience and responsibilities. This paragraph is important because it shows that you understand how insurance work is done and how to handle client relationships professionally. A helpful tip here is to balance sales skills with ethical responsibility. Here is the full sample paragraph. I have experience explaining insurance products, assisting clients with policy selection, and maintaining accurate client records. I understand the importance of building trust, following regulatory guidelines, and communicating policy details clearly and honestly. I am comfortable working toward sales goals while maintaining a customer-focused approach. This paragraph works well because it shows honesty, compliance, and professionalism. Third paragraph, personal qualities and strengths. The third paragraph focuses on your personal qualities and work ethic. Insurance companies want agents who are organized, motivated, and dependable because they represent the company directly to clients. A good tip here is to connect your personality traits to client service and company reputation. Here is the full sample paragraph. I am motivated, organized, and confident in my ability to manage client relationships effectively. I take pride in being professional, dependable, and responsive to client inquiries. I believe these qualities would allow me to contribute positively to the growth and reputation of Secure Life Insurance Group. This paragraph strengthens trust and credibility. Closing paragraph. Appreciation and interview request. Now we move to the closing paragraph. This paragraph thanks the employer and politely expresses interest in an interview. It should sound respectful and confident, not demanding. Here is the full sample paragraph. Thank you for considering my application. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how my skills and enthusiasm can support your insurance team. I am available for an interview at your convenience. This leaves a strong final impression. Closing and signature. The letter ends with a professional closing and signature. Sincerely, Brian Mitchell. And that's how you write an insurance agent job application letter, from the sender information all the way to the signature, with clear structure and strong client-focused content. Before we finish, here are some overall tips for writing an insurance agent job application letter. Always keep your tone professional, honest, and client-focused. Avoid exaggeration, be clear about your abilities, and show that you value trust and long-term relationships. Remember, insurance is about protection and peace of mind, and your letter should reflect that. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more step-by-step letter writing guides. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.